Hey, what's going on, CPAP Nation? I'm going to share with you 2 secrets in this industry that I bet you didn't know about. Whether you're a CPAP user for a day or you've been a CPAP user for the last 25 years. I'm going to share with you 2 things I guarantee you didn't know about. Stay tuned. I'm going to get right into it. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit subscribe on the bottom right and hit notifications so you can get all the latest updates on all our newest CPAP videos. What's going on, CPAP Nation? So we're working on the video, our top 10 tips going into 2021. It's going to be an updated version of the one we did prior. By the way, thank you for all the love and the support. We've gotten over 600 new subscribers this month. I think it took me 3 years to get 600 subscribers when we first started this YouTube channel. Now we're getting that every month. It keeps growing and growing, and all you guys going over to CPAP Nation, phenomenal. Appreciate all the orders online, through the phone, everyone in Western Mass coming in here for setups. We appreciate the loyalty, the support. We're moving our location in the next 6 months to a much bigger location. It's going to be one of the biggest walk-in CPAP in medical supply stores in the entire United States. It's going to be incredible. So I just want to thank you guys for that. If you guys are ever in the area, please stop by. Would love to see you. Would love to say hi. For all you guys traveling all over New England, appreciate seeing you. We love it. We love the loyalty, support. So let's get right into this. One secret you guys probably did not know in this industry is whether you get set up with a new CPAP machine or you guys are opening brand new CPAP cushions, masks, straps, doesn't matter. Did you guys know they come in non-sterile form? They come in non-sterile packaging. If you don't believe me, look at your packaging, look at anywhere in the box. Nowhere on there does it say it's sterile, because it isn't. So what does that mean? It means that even if you're getting a new CPAP machine, whether you're getting a new cushion, new mask, new headgear, that means that it could have living organisms and bacteria on it. It's not guaranteed not to. Anything that's sterile, like this gauze here that says sterile, that's guaranteed to be free of microorganisms and bacteria. So me being a CPAP user for the last 10 plus years, what do? Anytime I get something new, I always clean it. If you guys are using the soap and water method, if you guys are using other methods, always clean your new equipment. Always be conscious of that. A lot of this equipment comes from overseas. It comes in non-sterile form. So my best advice for you guys is to assume you have bacteria and living organisms on any CPAP equipment you open, unless it says sterile on the packaging. And for 10 years, I've never seen anything on CPAP packaging that says sterile. Which gets me into my number 2 disclosure for you guys that I guarantee you didn't know about. Alcohol wipes. Been using them on my CPAP equipment for 10 years. My cushions, my masks. I've even used them on my CPAP machines. Never had an issue. There's no evidence showing that this ruins silicone. It dries it out. It makes it brittle. It does not. There is no evidence out there that shows that alcohol wipes destroy silicone. The only evidence I've seen out there on CPAP masks is that the silicone can swell if there's alcohol on it, but once it dries off and dissipates, it goes back to shape. I've never seen any of my masks swell. I've never seen any of my masks distorted, dry out, anything. And I've used alcohol wipes. And ironically, alcohol wipes are sterile. This is a sneak peek, our top 10 tips going into 2021. These are 2 things I've shared with you guys early. If you like the video, please like the video. If you guys haven't hit subscribe, hit subscribe. And in the comments section, for all you guys who have been using alcohol wipes like I have, put them down in the comment section. Thank you guys. Sleep well and God bless.